Hello, I'm Seth Fleetwood, Mayor of Bellingham. In the days and weeks ahead, we will be challenged as a community with the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Understandably, there's been much community concern and uncertainty. This is a challenge that in so many respects is unprecedented, but we will meet the challenge and overcome it. The local lead agency in response preparations for this pandemic has been the Whatcom County Health Department, and as many of you have likely heard by this point, they have recommended cancellation of non-essential meetings of groups of more than 10 people. Since that recommendation was issued, numerous cancellations have occurred in our community. The governor has also closed all public schools, including the Bellingham School District, for 6 weeks, effective March 16th. The sum total of the various closures is that our community is preparing to hunker down for a while. At the City of Bellingham, operational adjustments have been made to ensure we strike the right balance between caring for the needs of our employees while guaranteeing that essential public services are delivered without interruption. I commend our staff for their commitment and professionalism in the context of this challenge. Of course, all our concerted efforts are in support of slowing the spread of this virus. World history tells us that we have been here before, and we will get through this. Based on best evidence, the reason we are engaging in widespread social distancing is to slow the spread so that we do not overwhelm our nation's intensive care facilities that house limited ventilators. Overwhelming intensive care facilities would ensure that those who are most at risk would be without life-saving care. Here in Bellingham, we are joining other communities around the nation to do our part to protect our most vulnerable. Our community's success will be determined to the very greatest extent by how we individually adhere to the basic precautionary tools as determined by the Center for Disease Control and articulated locally by our Whatcom County Health Department. Wash our hands, avoid large gatherings. If you are sick and coughing, self-isolate. These are personal responsibilities that we can all follow in our own stations in life. Together, we can ensure a collective success. If you have questions about our community's response, please visit the Whatcom County Health Department's website at whatcomcounty.us/COVID. There, you can find current information about how COVID-19 is affecting our community and the best way to protect our families, our coworkers, and ourselves. Bellingham is a great community, and with your support, we will all get through this together. Let us all be patient, helpful, and kind. Thank you for listening to this message.